Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect scrambled eggs. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. For each person, plan on 2 to 3 large eggs. To make them extra creamy, add about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for every 2 eggs. Don't forget a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. You'll also need a good non-stick pan and a flexible rubber spatula for easy cooking. Now let's get those eggs ready for the pan. Crack your eggs into a bowl, then pour in your milk or cream, along with the salt and pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously for about 30 seconds. You want the yolks and whites to be completely combined, but avoid over-whisking, as this can make your eggs tough. While you're whisking, place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. It's time to cook. First, melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in your heated pan until it's just shimmering. Then pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the bottom to set slightly. Now, using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center of the pan, letting the uncooked egg flow underneath. Repeat this process slowly. Keep gently folding and pushing the eggs until they are mostly set but still look a little moist and glossy. This is key for creamy, tender scrambled eggs. Crucially, remove the pan from the heat just before they are fully cooked to your liking. The residual heat will continue to cook them perfectly. Serve your delicious, fluffy scrambled eggs immediately for the best possible experience. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.